Hello, my name is Shafar. I am applying for the position of software developer at a leading company like TCS, Infosys, or Wipro. I am literally interested in this role because it matches with my skills and career goals. I am excited about the chance to work on real projects and grow with a great team. I have experience working on different software development projects. Recently, I completed an internship at Tech Mahindra, where I worked on a web application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I helped improve the user interface, and my changes made the app faster and easier to use. This experience taught me how to work with a team and meet deadlines. I completed my BTech Computer Science from a lovely professional university in 2028. During my studies, I worked on several projects and also earned certifications in Python, Java, and cybersecurity. These courses helped me improve both my technical and problem solving skills. I am skilled in languages like Python, Java, and JavaScript. I also know how to use tools like Git, VS Code, and SQL databases. I enjoy solving technical problems, building clean code, and learning new technologies. I'm also good at communicating with others and working as part of a team. I am focused and a positive person. I love learning and facing new challenges. I believe I would be a good fit for your company because I am dedicated, hardworking, and passionate about technology. I always try to stay updated with the latest trends in software and development. Thank you for watching my CV video. I hope I got the chance to talk more about how I can be a part of your team. Please feel free to contact me anytime for an interview or more information. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thank you.